Yo, what's up guys, HexxInkworks here. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while, but there's been a few things keeping me from it, such as coronavirus, along with my uni work deadlines, and also my PSU dying on my computer the other week. But anyway, more about today, where I am doing a paint unboxing video for you guys. With me running low on paint from my previous unboxing video, thankfully Graffiti had a sale of Ironlak sugar line at $2.50 a can, where they were selling 16 colours of the line, which you can see in its entirety via the supplied colour chart. The line is named due to its innovative propellant that comes from a sugarcane and uses a hybrid of water and alcohol. Due to its nature, the gases emitted are a lot cleaner to that of traditional petroleum spray paint. However, this doesn't compromise though, as it's still high quality with vibrant acrylic colours that use a UV resistant pigment with a matte finish and are propelled at a low pressure. So now onto the actual unboxing, and with this first box that contains colours and extras. The first thing I pull out is this free 3-in-1 Molotov marker. Then it's a selection of 3 Ironlak caps that I specifically asked for, followed by a bag of blue skinny caps, and then a general bag of 3 caps. Since I spent so much, I got this Ironlak lanyard for free. And here we have a free mask to protect you from corona, courtesy of Graffiti. And then, finally, we have their own brand of Hello My Name is stickers. So now onto the actual paint, and this first can I pull out is an equivalent replacement for Sugar's Bubblicious. And now onto the actual sugar paint, and this is Cactus Cooler, followed by Spearmint, then Salt, and finally Gouda. Turns out as well that under all of these popcorns there is a Molotov tote bag. I ordered another one of these because my previous one broke. And now onto the second box, which is full of blacks that they call licorice. Now onto the third box, which is a mix, with 1 white they call vanilla, followed by 2 reds called jam, and then finished off with 3 more blacks. Onto the fourth box, and this is full of more vanillas. And then the final box, which is full of more licorices. So that's everything guys. Sorry that this hasn't been an amazingly interesting shipment in terms of colours, but I mentioned in my previous unboxing video that I am focusing more on black and white with the use of accent colours. But even with those little colours that I ordered, I found I was doing paintings with full colour as opposed to just using them for accents. I spent a total of £75 to qualify for the free postage, which I normally do, and with the paint being the same price as most budget cans, but obviously a lot better in quality, I got a fair amount for my money, along with the freebies, and I also had a £9 e-wallet discount, which is basically rewards point, which is also a nice bonus. With being a bit of a hippie myself, I am interested to see on how this more environmentally friendly version will compare to typical spray paint. And with that being said, when I paint something with it, I'll try and do a first impressions video for you guys. Well, that's this video over guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comments. But yeah, this has been the Ironlak Sugar Graffiti paint shipment unboxing video with HexxInkworks. Peace out guys.